Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. What a puzzling housing market we're in right now. Let's see if we can break down what's going on in the Mid-Atlantic market. First, home prices in the Bright MLS service area hit a new record high in May. The median sold price was $435,000, up 3% year over year. And home prices rose in May in most regions across the Bright MLS service area. Prices are rising even though demand appears to be soft. So demand is the second thing we're watching. In May, there were 20,678 total closed sales across the Bright MLS service area, but sales were 2.6% lower than last May, and year-to-date, home sales are tracking below where we were last year. So finally, let's look at the supply side. Sellers also appear to be holding back. In May, there were 25,249 new listings that came on the market, and new listings were 3.1% lower than they were last year. So what do we make out of all this? Well, while the median home price was at a record high, home price growth has been slowing, and the year-over-year appreciation is at its lowest level since June of 2023. Rising economic uncertainty and mortgage rates close to 7% really are weighing down the housing market, and that's meant the spring market has been slower than typical. But home shoppers are still active in many local markets. The number of showings across the Bright MLS service area was 2.5% higher this May than a year ago, and there's still a lot of pent-up demand in the market. So if mortgage rates come down, the summer could be much busier. So this market is a puzzle, and we're going to keep watching it and report back to you. But that's it for this month's Market Minutes. You can find monthly and weekly housing market reports at brightmls.com/research. And please register for our next housing market webinar on Thursday, June 19th. Thanks, and I will see you next month.